How to delete Facebook Lite account permanently. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your Facebook Lite application. Log in to your account. After that, tap on the menu bar from your top right corner. Then go to Settings. After that, go to Account Center. Then go to your information and permissions. Go to personal details, and then there you will see account ownership and control. Go over there and then go to deactivation or deletion. After that, go to your Facebook account and then select delete and confirm deletion by entering your password, and confirm deleting your Facebook pages as well. Select a reason and done. So that's how you do it.